Good day, God's News. Based on the Word of God, the Bible has a different names and titles. I give you one. Please listen this. Deuteronomy chapter 31 verse 26. Take this book of the law and place it beside the ark of the covenant of the Lord your God. There it will remain as witness against you. The Bible is described as a book of laws. Laws which are not meant to enslave us or stifle our relationship with God and life on earth, but laws that are meant to strengthen our relationship with God and enhance our lives. So the Bible is called here Book of Law, that meant to strengthen our relationship